Welcome to KayScience.com. One of the biggest problems in science education is that many students can feel lost. So when you're stuck on a topic, you can click any video and find bite-sized chunks explaining the science with diagrams and notes. Within each of our 800 plus bite-sized videos, we check for understanding with our multiple choice questions called Question Time. You can then practice using the keywords and attempt exam-style questions with immediate feedback, so you can check if you're right or wrong there and then. When the video ends, it locks, so you can attempt the self-marking quiz questions which are marked live. As you can see, the wrong answers are marked as wrong and the correct answers are shown. Your quiz scores are immediately updated on your dashboard, so you can track your progress and track the videos you've watched. You can also revise any number of topics at once by self-quizzing. If you're stuck on the physics formulae, select the physics formula practice so you can test yourself on random formulae. So achieve those top grades with KayScience.com.